What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is an update on the channel and everything about it, so let's get into it. Okay guys, so just thought I'd jump on here to give you a quick update. First of all is the clothing brand. Okay, we've got the clothing range up on our website. The website link is down in the description. We've got all different types of trade inspired clothing, which has been going really well. Thank you to everyone who's bought something. You guys are rad, and your orders should already be with you, or the ones that have been recently coming to you very shortly. So thank you for that. There's going to be a new piece, at least a new piece every month, which I'm excited to do, and everything's been designed by me, including the website. So if you go and support that, that'd be amazing. If you want some trade inspired clothing, because it's going to be the coolest stuff on the market, then go check the link in the description. Secondly is our Discord. Now the Discord is currently free, but it will be soon going to a paid service. Over there I give my trades, I give education to you guys, one-to-one in a group, and there's a lot more education going on over there than just obviously on the YouTube. Any questions that you guys have, I try and answer them all, and the community over there at the moment is absolutely insane, and thank you so much for everyone who's joined. Now, as I said just a second ago, it is currently free, and for the next 25 people that join the server, it will also be free. Once 25 people join, the monthly fee will come into effect, and then after that it will be a paid service. So if you want to get in there and you're seeing this video first, click the link in the description, go join the server, and then after that it will, as I say, it will be a monthly fee. It won't be super expensive, but it will be a monthly fee because the value over there is massive. So yeah, go check that out. Now the third update is the My Forex Funds series, and the other series on the channel. The My Forex Funds $5,000 challenge is still going. We had 2 failures. The first failure was because I actually lost a load of videos and I decided to start again. That was way ago. The second failure, I actually had some personal stuff get in the way, and then my account got hard stopped, and because it wasn't in a great position, we lost out on that one. So there's lots of great content in those trades, but obviously we didn't pass those challenges. We're on the third one now, which is going very well, so keep an eye out for that. That's going to keep going, but it's going to slow down a little bit now because I want to integrate some slightly different content, and that's what I'm going to talk to you about right now. So as well as the $5,000 My Forex Funds challenge, I want to get that one done because I really want to go up to the 50,000. The 5,000 is cool, and it was something to show you about the accessibility to the challenge. I really want to pass that, or see how I do with that one. Even if I don't pass it, it's fine, because we are going to move on to a $50,000 challenge after that, which is obviously going to be super cool. A little bit more at risk, but yeah, I think that's going to make for a great video. So that the My Forex Funds challenges are going to be ongoing, so you can expect lots of that on the channel. The other one is I got lots planned this summer. I got a trip coming up very soon, and obviously the vloggy style stuff which you see on the channel, it doesn't get as many views as the trading obviously, but if you would like to see what I get up to outside of the trading and outside the charts, then the Why I Started Trading series is going to continue. We've got about 6 parts now, I think. I think it's 6. Yeah, we're basically, usually the last part I didn't have any trades in it, but usually what I would do is on my next trip, I will film some trades, I will then go out, do some stuff, manage the trades while I'm out and about, and just show you the freedom that trading gives you, because it's a pretty cool stuff. So go check out those that are already on the channel and keep an eye out for them, because they're going to continue. Another series I'm going to start very soon, and this is going to be very soon, is the £100 challenge. Now what I'm going to do here is basically, as it says on the name, put £100 into an account and see how we can trade it, and see if we can, I don't know, get up to $1,000 or whatever, and just let that thing run up to a certain point, maybe up to 1,000, and then yeah, so basically just start a small account and show you that if you are trading, you can start with a small account. It's a lot harder, obviously, than trading with a larger account, because you kind of have to risk more to make anything worthwhile. But it's a bit of fun. We'll probably be risking about 10 to 15% on each trade, and yeah, we can then work our way up using a compound interest strategy, not directly on the charts. We'll be using our normal strategy, but a compound interest strategy which helps us to build our smaller account. So I really want to do that as a bit of a challenge. I think it would be a bit of fun, and yeah, so that's going to be coming up very soon as well. And finally, the live streams. Live streams are going to continue over on YouTube. They're super fun, and you guys coming into the chat and trading alongside me is awesome. Also, the back testing streams and a few other just random hangout streams as well over the weekends are going to continue. But live streams are also going to happen on the Discord. Now, once the Discord becomes a paid monthly membership, the live streams in Discord are going to be traded mostly in the morning in the London session, which is when I trade the most and is my most profitable time of day. This isn't to say that YouTube live streams are going to stop. They aren't at all. They will continue just as frequently, if not more. But we're all going to have some Discord live streams where your memberships, you guys who are members, can come in and watch the trading session as well. So there's going to be even more content there. And that's about it, really. That's an update of the channel, what's going on right now. And I really, again, appreciate all the support you guys give. Thank you so much. The community is awesome. I really like the way that everyone's enjoying the clothing, everyone's enjoying the strategies, and hopefully helping you guys to catch some pips and make better in your trading career. So thank you very much. If you could, give us a like and subscribe if you haven't seen us already, and I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video. Peace.